This is under the cards account. Yes. But one thing I want to tell you guys is that the card account is very expensive. Not really in any way, but I think if you want to buy, it's quite expensive other than a Lucy products. I mean, more expensive than other Lucy. You understand? And this is if you look at the bottom of this the card, you will see nothing like a what is it called? Nothing like mm, a verify and see for the benefit of people who will be doubting that maybe he's copying another person's content. Yeah, this is it. As you can see, this is my channel. This is my channel. This is my community. This is my dashboard. Yeah, so I'm not copying anybody's this thing on my own channel. So thank you. And for API keys, just come here. I've created one already 2 days ago. And if you want to see, I can still create another one. And you see, Ade, just create, boom, and and copy the API and apply it in what is it called? Done. Sorry, I'm not calling you. So I can minimize it. Okay. I can minimize it. This is my what is it called? Droopy Studio. This Droopy Studio, you can come to the um live. Okay, total this thing. You see everything. You see settings. Under settings, yes. I have the API here before. So let me just let me just paste the new API. Let me save the API. So this is it. If you want to use 2.1, if you want to use 2.5. Yeah. So that's it for the cat. Now, this is the image selected. If you want to send to OBS, no need of capturing the screen. So you can go live. The guy not really, yeah. Okay, so this is it. You see, so let's you see. So no capping, no capping, no capping, no capping. I don't want to waste his credit. Yeah, he hasn't purchased any credit on this thing. So I think sorry. I don't want to waste his credit for God's sake. I don't want to waste the credit for God's sake. Let me just tap on him to cancel it. So let me just stop it. So I've stopped it. So that's that about that. Nothing like scam on my side. And if you want to use your OBS, this is it. It happens. It appears on OBS. And if you have a Droid cam, you can use the Droid cam along with it. I'm sorry, bro. So you can use Droid cam along with it. You can use stop it. You can use Droid cam with it. You can use where is it called? What is this one again? Sorry. BlueStack, yes, BlueStack, and so on. If you have other plugins, you can use it. Thank you.